Studio Copelli, welcome back to my channel. Ciao amici! Yeah, I'm putting the gloves, yes. We are putting the gloves, yes. I know, you never see me put the gloves because today I'm going to make something special. Yes, I'm very excited because this is my first time doing the burrata. $250 burrata. Yes, you're thinking, wow, this is expensive. Yes, I'm going to make a gold burrata with a black pesto truffle. Look at this, amazing. I'm gonna show you from the beginning how to make the burrata at home. So you today can learn how to make the burrata at home. I'm just asking, subscribe right there, right now. Yes, thank you so much. So yeah, we are going to make this burrata from the scratch. So I'm going to show you today what we need. We need here, first thing to do, we need 4 pair of gloves. 4. We need some fresh mozzarella from your local store. You go to the local store, you buy fresh mozzarella. Make sure it's fresh mozzarella. You buy some truffle. You buy some gold leaf. That you can buy this from Amazon. You'll find the link under here in the description. We're going to use some cream, heavy cream, whipping cream. We're going to use a water. We need to boil the water and keep it at 90 Celsius heat. And we're going to use some cold water. Very cold water from the fridge and some sea salt. Not too much. I'm gonna explain to you all this, how to do the process. Just follow me please, because this is amazing. Yes. Okay, let's get into this. First thing to do is we need to cut the cheese just this way in a little square. Okay, now let's place all the little square of fresh mozzarella inside a bowl, just like that. Now that we finish, now let's put some sea salt, about a teaspoon, not too much. Now that we add some salt, now we're ready to add our hot water. Make sure it's not boiling. So now it's ready to, we're gonna put it all attached together. So the first step to do here is we're gonna prepare our stracciatella. We're preparing basically the cheese that goes inside our burrata. So we're gonna pull it until you don't see anymore this little square. Okay guys, at this point we just go on top, just like in the video, just follow. Woo! Nice. You wanna keep it always a little bit in the water because this way it doesn't get cold too much. So our stracciatella is almost ready. Come potete vedere è quasi pronta la nostra stracciatella. Qua vediamo un attimino. Ok, a questo punto, come potete vedere, bella liscia, si può cominciare a fare il nodino, classico nodino. So guys, now at this point we're ready to make our first nodino. Basically, to make our stracciatella we need to create a little nodino. I don't know how to say this. Voilà. Questo è il nostro classico nodino, è pronto, lo mettiamo nell'acqua fredda. Okay guys, once we made our own our little nodino, basically put it in the cold water. It's not very important the shape. It's not very important the shape because I'm gonna show you why in a little bit. Done. So we put it on the cold water. just like that. And voila, we have our own odino. We let it cool down. We let it cool down a little bit. In the meantime, when the mozzarella is cooling down, we have to put more water on the heating it up. Our burrata, it's cold, so we're gonna place it in the bowl. We're gonna open it. Make sure you open it. Then we're gonna pull it, just like that. You pull it. This is to create our mix that goes inside our burrata. Let me show you. Just break it nicely. It's very important that the mozzarella needs to be cold when you do this step. Easily you can do this at home, no worry about. Okay, at this point that our stracciatella is ready, we are ready to add our whipping cream. Now at this point we're gonna add our magical truffle. We're gonna add our magical truffle, pesto truffle, because pesto truffle is much better for the burrata. I think this is much better because this goes really well, especially with this type of food. So we're gonna add 1 and 2 spoons, not too much, otherwise it's gonna get too much the flavor. So at this point, again with our hands, we're gonna mix it up everything. Wow, you don't imagine the smell of truffle that this. I can't wait to taste it, man. I can't wait to taste it. I mean, take a look. Take a look. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, now it's time to put the burrata, the stracciatella on the side. We have to do the same thing. The same thing. Now it's basically time to make the burrata, the actual burrata. So pay attention. We're gonna cut this a little square. Okay, very amazing. Okay. Gonna put a pinch of salt. Not too much. Not too much. So now, you see the water is boiling. The water is boiling, so we have to turn it off. Now it's ready. So we're gonna place a little bit in our bowl. Of course, remember to have a cold bowl with water on the side. So now we're gonna do the same process. Okay, so when it's nice and smooth, again, we are ready to make the burrata. Pay attention to this, guys. So we're gonna make the burrata like we are making the ball of the pizza. So we're gonna make a big ball. Amici, dobbiamo creare una palla. There we go. Gonna place it in the hot water again. Pay attention to this step. Now it's gonna be really hot, so pay attention. We're gonna squeeze it. Make sure it's a circle, because this is how you make the burrata, just like that. Squeeze it like you are doing a pizza. Make sure you do this step really quick because the mozzarella needs still to be hot. So we're gonna place it again 1 second in the hot water. Then you put it on your hands, just like that. And finally, we're gonna get our mix. We're gonna place it inside, just like that. Guys, we get our stracciatella with truffle pesto. Now we're gonna close it like a balloon. Make sure you do like a balloon, just like that. It's a little bit complicated, but it's nice and quick. So when it's nice attached, just like that, close it and you place it in the cold water, just a little bit. What I like to do is to cut this after. Just like that. Done. Now we put it on the cold water and we leave it until it's nice and cold. Nice, our burrata is ready. Nice, guys. We leave it in the cold water. And finally now we are ready to put the gold. Wow. Just take a look at this burrata. Amazing. So make sure that when you use the foil of gold, you do it with very carefully, because when you open, the foil will stick right away to your food. Just follow the video. It's amazing. Look at this. Wow. Now, at this point, I'm gonna show you also another trick. We're gonna make a pizza dough ball for this plate, this burrata plate. So it's not a pizza, because we want the people to focus on the actual gold burrata. So what we're gonna do is this. Dovevo creare una bastardella, praticamente come questa, di pasta di pizza. Ecco qua come farla. So this is the dough. We gotta cut in half. Place this on the side. You're gonna make a circle and we're gonna stretch just like that. We don't want to put too much flour. So at this point we're gonna put some olive oil in our dough, in our bowl. Now we're gonna place our dough just like that. This way we create the ball with dough. This way, after we are going to place the burrata in the dough ball. So at this point we're gonna put it in the oven at low temperature, so you can cook this at home, same thing. But of course you don't need to have a dough. You can also just put the burrata on a plate. This is also to make it a little bit more fancy. Voilà. Ok amici, ovviamente se non volete our dough is ready. Done. So make sure you don't touch it with your hands. And voila, we have our dough ball ready. Nice. Because I like spinach, I'm gonna put some organic spinach, just like that. I'm gonna make like a little salad. Some salt. Done. So now that we've created a plate, now we are ready to place our gold burrata. $150. Wow, look at this. Amazing. On a plate. Done. Ok amici, guys, our plate of burrata is done. Please leave a thumbs up for this amazing. Look at this. Wow. Can't wait to taste it. Amici, ecco qui, pronta la nostra burrata d'oro per essere servita. Ovviamente, I'm gonna taste it. Fa un primo piano qua per piacere. Fa un primo piano. Guys, I'm gonna taste it. Guys, wow, this is amazing. Look at this.